You're not just getting older, your job might be aging your body faster than it should. Spend enough years on the road, and something starts to feel different. It's not just tiredness after a long day, it's deeper than that. Your body feels older than it should. Your energy isn't what it used to be. Your joints feel stiff, your muscles feel weaker, and recovery takes longer. Many truck drivers assume this is just normal aging. But in reality, something else is happening. Truck driving, as a lifestyle, can actually accelerate the aging process. Not in a dramatic overnight way, but slowly, quietly, through daily habits that add up over time. The long hours, the sitting, the irregular routines, the stress, it all combines to push your body to age faster than it normally would. But here's the important part. This isn't inevitable. Once you understand what's happening, you can take control and slow it down. One of the biggest reasons truck driving speeds up aging is prolonged sitting. Drivers often spend 10 to 14 hours a day behind the wheel, barely moving. While it might seem like your body is resting, the opposite is happening. When you sit for long periods, your muscles become inactive. Blood circulation slows down, and your metabolism drops. Over time, your body becomes less efficient at burning energy and maintaining muscle mass. This leads to weight gain, lower energy levels, and a gradual decline in overall fitness. But the real issue goes deeper. Sitting too much has been linked to increased inflammation in the body, which is one of the key drivers of aging. It affects everything, from your heart to your joints to your energy levels. The solution is simple but powerful: move more. You don't need a full workout routine. Just breaking up long periods of sitting can make a huge difference. Every 1 to 2 hours, step out of the truck, walk for a few minutes, stretch your body. These small actions help reset your system and keep your body functioning the way it should. As we age, the body naturally loses muscle. But when you spend most of your day sitting, this process speeds up dramatically. Your muscles aren't being used, so your body stops maintaining them. Over time, this leads to noticeable changes. Your legs feel weaker. Your core isn't as strong. Tasks that used to be easy, like lifting, climbing, or even walking for longer periods, start to feel more difficult. This loss of strength doesn't just affect your physical ability, it also contributes to the feeling of aging. When your body feels weaker, everything feels harder. The solution is to use your muscles regularly. Walking during breaks, doing simple exercises like squats or lunges, and stretching your body can help maintain and even rebuild muscle strength. You don't need to train like an athlete, you just need to stay active. Another sign of accelerated aging is stiffness. Many truck drivers experience tight hips, stiff knees, and limited flexibility. This happens because your joints stay in the same position for long periods without movement. Over time, your muscles tighten and your joints lose their range of motion. This makes movement less comfortable and increases the risk of injury. You may notice it when you step out of the truck after a long drive. Your body feels locked and it takes time to loosen up. That's not just fatigue, it's reduced mobility. The solution is to keep your body flexible. Stretching your hips, legs, and lower back daily can help maintain movement and prevent stiffness. Even a few minutes of stretching during breaks can keep your joints healthy and reduce that old feeling in your body. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. It's when your muscles recover, your brain resets, and your energy is restored. But for many truck drivers, sleep is inconsistent and often insufficient. Irregular schedules, long hours, and the challenges of sleeping in a truck make it difficult to get quality rest. Over time, this lack of proper sleep affects your body in serious ways. You may feel constantly tired even after resting. Your focus may decline, your mood may change, and your body may struggle to recover from daily stress. Poor sleep accelerates aging because it disrupts your body's ability to repair itself. Without proper recovery, wear and tear builds up faster. Improving sleep quality can have a powerful effect. Creating a comfortable sleeping environment, maintaining a routine when possible, and avoiding heavy meals before rest can help your body recover more effectively. Better sleep doesn't just give you more energy, it helps your body stay younger. Truck driving comes with constant stress. Deadlines, traffic, long hours, and time away from home all contribute to mental and emotional strain. Stress doesn't just affect your mood, It affects your body. Chronic stress increases inflammation, disrupts hormones, and weakens your immune system. Over time, it accelerates the aging process in ways you may not immediately notice. You might feel more irritable, more tired, or less motivated. These are signs that stress is taking a toll. Managing stress doesn't require complicated techniques. Simple actions like taking breaks, listening to calming music, practicing deep breathing, or staying connected with loved ones can help reduce its impact. Taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your body. What you eat plays a major role in how your body ages. Unfortunately, the trucking lifestyle often makes healthy eating difficult. Fast food, sugary drinks, and processed snacks are convenient, but they don't provide the nutrients your body needs. Over time, poor diet leads to weight gain, low energy, and increased inflammation. These factors all contribute to faster aging. The solution isn't perfection, it's improvement. Drinking more water, adding fruits and nuts to your meals, and choosing lighter options when possible can make a significant difference. Your body responds quickly to better fuel, and over time, these small changes help slow the aging process. Truck driving demands constant mental engagement. Even though your body is mostly still, your brain is working non-stop, scanning the road, monitoring traffic, making decisions, and staying alert for danger. Hour after hour, this level of focus slowly drains your mental energy. At first, it might not feel like much, but over time, it builds into something deeper, mental fatigue. You may begin to notice small changes. Your focus isn't as sharp as it used to be. Your reactions feel slightly slower. Motivation drops, and even simple tasks seem to take more effort. This isn't just normal tiredness, it's your brain being overworked without enough time to recover. And when your mind is constantly drained, it can make you feel older than you actually are. The solution isn't to push harder, it's to give your brain time to reset. Taking short breaks during long drives can help your mind step out of that constant alert mode. Even a few minutes away from the road can restore focus and reduce fatigue. Keeping your mind engaged in a healthy way also helps. Listening to podcasts, audiobooks, or interesting discussions can stimulate your brain without overwhelming it. A mentally active brain stays sharper and feels younger. Another hidden factor contributing to this feeling is poor circulation. Sitting for long periods reduces blood flow, which means your body and your brain aren't getting the oxygen and nutrients they need. Over time, this leads to lower energy levels, slower recovery, and that constant feeling of sluggishness. Improving circulation is essential. Movement is the key. Walking during breaks, stretching your body, and avoiding long periods of complete stillness all help keep your blood flowing. Staying hydrated also plays a big role, as it supports healthy circulation and overall function. What makes this problem more challenging is how everything connects. Sitting too much leads to muscle loss. Muscle loss causes weakness. Poor sleep increases fatigue. Fatigue leads to poor decisions. Stress builds up, and unhealthy habits make everything worse. It becomes a cycle, and that's why many drivers feel like they're aging faster than they should. But this cycle can be broken. You don't need a perfect routine, you need a consistent one. Focus on simple habits you can maintain every day. Move your body regularly. Take breaks. Drink enough water. Improve your sleep as much as possible. Make slightly better food choices. Manage stress in small ways. These steps may seem small, but together, they create real change. Over time, your body responds. You feel more energized, more focused, and more capable. Truck driving is demanding, but your health doesn't have to suffer because of it. Every better choice you make adds up. Because at the end of the day, your truck may age with miles, but your body doesn't have to. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe because your health is too important to age faster than it should.